Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of my new camera. This is the Canon M200 with the lens kit. For those who are new here, welcome. My name is Celine. I post beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure to subscribe down below and also hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload another video. Pick me up a new camera and also some accessories to unbox with you. So if you're interested, definitely stick around. I wasn't in need of a new camera. I do have the DJI Pocket 2, which I'm currently filming with right now. I'll insert a picture so you can see which one I'm talking about. I really love that camera and enjoy using it. The only downfall is that it does have to be charged with a cable. Whenever I'm filming makeup tutorials and all that, it does drain the battery since I'm sitting in it for a while. But the only downfall is that I have to wait for it to charge so I can start filming again. And also the screen is very tiny. It is a great camera to vlog with. It's very discreet and small and the quality is really good. That's what I love about the camera. I just needed something that was bigger and that had the battery port so I can switch out batteries whenever it does die. Decided to get this one here. This is the Canon EOS M200 with the lens kit. Like I said, it has a 15 through 45 millimeter lens included, and the price varies on different websites. I purchased mine at Walmart and it was $4.99. After tax it was $539.54. So that's not too bad with a lens. The prices of lenses range just depending on, so I love that this camera you're able to upgrade your lens later on if you'd like to do that. There's just a lot of perks with this camera that made me decide to get this one instead. I was looking at the Canon G7X and also the Sony ZV-1. Those two are way more pricier than this one, and they don't include a lens kit or anything like that. This one here, I thought it was the black one. I've been on the search for the black one and I was super excited when I went to my local Walmart and I found it. I was like, okay, it's meant to be, because I've been looking online for months and they've only had white. So they only have white and black. But yeah, once I got home, did a little sneak peek and it's white. I do like the white as well. It's just gonna be hard to keep clean, especially filming makeup content. With the black one, it is on back order on Canon's website, and at Best Buy and Walmart it is out of stock. Let me give you a little bit of the other prices from the other websites before I open it up and show you what's inside the box if you're interested in purchasing this camera. And also they do have a content creator kit that's $650 if you go that route. The content creator kit is also sold out at Best Buy. Black one retails for $550 and also the white one is $550. If you do decide to get it, go to Walmart. It's way cheaper, $499. On Canon, it is $500 for the white one and the black one is $550. Also, the content creator kit is $650. And at Walmart, they don't sell the content creator kit. They do have the white one. They do have the black one, but it's through another retailer online. They don't have it in store, but if you do get it from there, it's $535. So that's all the prices of the cameras. I'm going to kind of show you a little close-up. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Upon opening the box, we have the little information here. This is the warranty through Canon. The little manual here. And then it has this little sheet included, and this just helps you transfer your files over from your camera into the Canon app. Just comes with a little pamphlet to register your product. I'll go ahead and open this part up, the camera and everything in here. So here's the charger. This is like the wall charger. I really like these. It has little indicators that tell you to charge it and when it's full. And then here is the lens. It is really secured. It has cardboard around it and also bubble wrap. It's really light. I thought it would be heavier. Kind of give you a little close up. I really love this like gunmetal silver that it has on it. It also comes with a strap, which I'm not going to put this on there, but I like that it's included. And then here is the battery camera. So it's also pretty well wrapped. So pretty. I love the white. It is really nice and sleek, and it is very lightweight. I thought it was gonna be way heavier, but it's honestly really lightweight. I wanted this one because it does have the flip up screen, so whenever I am vlogging I am able to see myself. It's on my DJI. Like I said, the screen is pretty tiny, so it's kind of hard to see if I'm in focus or if I'm in frame. This definitely will come in handy, having a bigger screen to see myself in. I'm gonna set the camera down for right now. I'm gonna show you all the accessories that I picked up. All of them are from Amazon except for one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the first thing. I did pick up this little silicone case. I did pick this up on eBay. I believe it was around $6. It did take about a month to come in because it did come from China. I was not able to find any cases on Amazon. I don't know why. eBay does have them if you do get this camera. I picked up these screen protectors. These were $7.98 for a 3-pack. I will be leaving everything in the description box if you want to go and find anything that I picked up. And then I got these batteries. I wanted some backup batteries because that's the main issue that I have is the battery dying. So I made sure to pick up some more. That includes 2 batteries and a charger bay. The price for these were $24. Last thing I got was this tripod here. It does come with a little wireless remote, which is great. This was $14.39 on Amazon. When you see it, you're gonna love it if you are someone who likes colorful things. This is it here. It's so pretty. I love the bright, vibrant colors, and also goes great with the case. I just love that everything is so colorful. You're able to like bend it any way. So if you're outside, you can wrap it around a tree or anything if you're filming out on the go. So it does have a lot of great qualities to it. Also, I love that on this one, you're able to tilt it if you want to film vertically. And that's one thing that I forgot to mention with this Canon M200 is that you're able to film in vertical video. So if you're filming content for TikTok or Instagram Reels, you are able to do that with that camera, and then you can just transfer the files over to your phone and edit on your phone or over to your computer. I definitely want to get into uploading some makeup content on Instagram Reels. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything on, and then I'll show you. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the film. Went ahead and put it on. Now the fun part of putting on the case. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. There it is with the case on. The pink and white combination is so pretty together. And this is what it looks like from the back. As soon as I turn it on, it has information to enter the date and time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's just what the screen looks like. Just saying that there's no SD card in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this cap here to attach the lens. Okay, so it's snapped into place. So this is what it looks like here with the lens. As you can see, it does stick out pretty far, and it does add a lot of weight to the camera with the lens on it. That's just what it looks like with the lens on it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like on the tripod setup. That's what it looks like with the tripod attached. It looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and film a video and show you the quality and also the audio with this camera here. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that. Alright, so this is me filming on the Canon M200. I did not switch up any of the settings. I just left them how they came. I don't know if I'm going to switch up the exposure and all that or not. I'm going to have to kind of look into that. But I feel like the quality looks really nice. Super excited to film some more content with my new camera. So some downfalls about this camera is that there is no mount on the camera for a mic or for a light. Don't have to buy a cage for the camera to add anything on. But yeah, overall I really think it's a very nice quality camera. I'm super excited to film some more videos for you. I'm gonna go ahead and switch back over to my other camera to close out this video. Alright, so that was everything about the M200. If you have any questions about this camera or anything, leave them down below and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And also all the links to the accessories and the camera will be listed in the description box if you want to purchase anything. But yeah, I'm so excited to finally have this camera and get more content out on my channel and just grow my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload another video. Yeah, thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye.